to review Legos today, and we're going to be reviewing Galactic Empire Battle Pack. Let's go. I do not know why these guys are battle damaged, and they have jetpacks, as you saw when we took the pictures. And the machine is cool, and this guy's cool. They're all cool. And I put the gun right there because this guy's controlling the cannon. Red guy up here, he's on the controls. The guy with the black hat is also on the controls. He's on the cannon. He's shooting. I'm from the Baughman Brothers. I did this video by myself today, and I hope you like it.